Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon.
Donations, crypto are coming together in a big way that a lot of people did not even predict or expect. Right now, we are seeing this. Endowment, a popular crypto giving platform, has now said it has raised over $2 million through their platform for charities supporting Ukraine. That's just one platform. Then we also have them. They have raised a 100x in terms of volume from last year of $28 million now versus $235,000 the year before. So that's more than a 100x for them. Then we have another one, the Giving Block, which has already taken in 1.5 million donations directly related to Ukraine so far. And they likewise have seen a massive increase from a measly small amount in comparison to now going up to 69 million in the last year, a 1,500% increase in just 1 year's time. So big amounts of charity are coming in through crypto.
As governments around the world grapple with how to regulate cryptocurrencies, Australia is embracing the emerging industry and its blockchain technology with open arms. Speaking at the Blockchain Week Festival in Sydney today, the Digital Economy Minister implored those in the industry to support a plan to modernise the country's rules of digital payment systems. Among the proposed reforms, development of a licensing and custody regime for digital assets, a taxation system for cryptocurrency protections for investors, and a review of debanking when banks refuse to provide services to crypto startups. It's estimated about 800,000 Australians have invested in cryptocurrency. The government says regulations will better protect investors from unscrupulous dealers.
To Avalanche, there is going to be a pretty large summit in Barcelona on Tuesday, going all the way to Sunday. In fact, there's already, if you look at it, there's a kind of like agenda kind of thing going on here, but you can see that Chainlink. There's something going on with Chainlink right here, right? Something going on with Coinbase Wallet. I mean, they kind of lay it out, right? There's gaming, gaming trends with DeFi, but something that is highly rumored is this. Do Kwon, of course, we know recently Avalanche and Pantera made a tight partnership, but look at this quote, right? The moon is coming. And next week, we will show you how much. So what does this mean? We already know Anchor and UST is now full-blown on the Avalanche chain. But what else could be coming? We'll see.
Time Pieces just posted, congrats to the ApeCoin DAO on the rollout of ApeCoin, and thrilled we can announce that Time will be accepting Ape for digital subscriptions in the coming weeks on time.com. So Time actually has some digital pieces for sale, and they will be accepting ApeCoin, so that's pretty interesting.
For anyone who is questioning how Elon Musk might have been tied to the H logo he tweeted out earlier this month, we have some SpaceX breadcrumbs. SpaceX Raptor project manager is liking a lot of Hedera content. He might just be an enthusiast though, shrug emoji. Mark Gregorio, he is liking some HBAR Foundation posts and a bunch of HBAR content. What on earth is going on? Could we see a Elon Musk Hedera SpaceX partnership in the works? Is SpaceX the next member of the governing council? Anything can happen. Buckle your seatbelts, guys. Stuff's gonna get wild.
Also in the news, this is mega pop. This was super duper popular news. Crypto investment firm Pantera Capital CEO and co-CIO Dan Moorhead shared his thoughts on the crypto market. With regards to Bitcoin's price, he said, basically, Econ 101, supply and demand. Every 2 years, 10 times more people use cryptocurrency than they did in the past, and that's been going on for a decade. Every 2 years, it's 10 times more, and every 2 years, the price of crypto has gone up 10x, and to my mind, it's that simple. He says, Bitcoin has been amazing. We've owned a lot of it over the years, and I think it's going to go up another 10x over the next 5 years or something like that, but most of the new innovations are in other things. There are hundreds of really interesting tokens out there, many of which are essentially companies built on top of Ethereum. or Polkadot or Solana. And those are kind of the new small caps that have the potential to go up 100x.
Miners that hodl the most Bitcoin are, quote, relentlessly expanding. According to a series of mining metrics, not only are miners holding hard, they're also dramatically increasing their hash rate. Now, this is something we've actually seen quite a bit in the actual data. But the reality is very interesting to watch this happening, because it seems like after China expelled miners from their country, it looks like countries like the United States and other Western countries and a lot of Latin American countries have started to up their hash rate and to up their mining operations. It really looks like people are using mining as a way to accumulate Bitcoin. And it's very, very cool to see.
When I first heard that a major Australian airline, Qantas, was about to release a set of NFTs, I got pretty excited. It's really exciting to see a listed major company embrace NFT technology for what the future's going to hold for them.
I think there's an evolutionary view and there's a revolutionary view. And if you look, and the revolutionary argument is the currencies are bad, taxes are bad, governments are bad, big corporations are bad, the banks are bad. The evolutionary view is I invented oil and steel and electricity, and Isaac Newton invented engineering math. And is the world a better place with calculus, oil, steel, and electricity, right? Every country can benefit from calculus, steel, oil, and electricity, right? And computers, every country, every ideology, and the human race is better. If you look at the evolutionary view for Bitcoin, the evolutionary view would be Bitcoin is digital energy. It's a technology. Therefore, it's good for every country.